Are you ready to get going right away and learn massage skills to create a deeper connection with your partner? Masterclass has a practice video called the Harmony Flow Video. This budget-friendly resource is perfect for those who feel confident in the basics, but who need a structured video to help guide them through each step of a relaxing massage. With the Harmony Flow video, you will watch and follow along with a sequence of restorative moves that can be easily practiced at home. You'll be visually guided through each technique with a colorful guide. This flow is not only easy to follow, but also focuses on relieving the most common tension spots, especially in the shoulders and the hips, providing ultimate relaxation for your partner. And one of the best features of the Harmony Flow video is that you can revisit and practice as often as you wish. In a world where connection and intimacy are so vital, dedicating time to practice together will improve your abilities and deepen the bond with your partner. It's also a fantastic way to integrate massage into your self-care routine. So if you're ready to bring relaxation into your home, consider adding the Harmony Flow video to your toolkit. Click the link to get started on this journey to blissful connection today.